Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In today's video, we'll walk you through the complete repair management cycle in Lighthouse ERP, from raising a material repair request to issuing the repaired item back to the department and closing the financial loop with vendor billing. Let's begin with the process flow. Overview: Repair management flow. The repair management cycle in Lighthouse ERP consists of the following key steps. 1. Department requisition for material repair. 2. Repair gate pass generation. 3. Receipt against repair gate pass. 4. Repair gate pass verification. 5. Issue of repaired material to department. 6. Repair bill entry. 7. Reporting via repair management engines. Department requisition for material repair. The process begins when a department identifies an item requiring repair and raises a repair requisition. This helps initiate the tracking and approval flow, ensuring the material movement is authorized. Benefits: tracks department-wise repair trends, supports historic tracking of repair frequency and costs. Repair gate pass generation. Once the requisition is approved, a repair gate pass is created to send the item to the service provider. This gate pass can be linked with a work order or indent. All necessary transporter details, vehicle information and consignee data are maintained here. Highlights: tracks outward movement of material, supports both internal and external service vendors. Delivery terms and vehicle details are captured. Receipt against repair gate pass. When the repaired item returns, the receipt is booked against the same gate pass. This ensures the same document lifecycle is maintained and the item's inward entry is recorded seamlessly. Highlights: prevents duplication of receipts, maintains linkage with outward gate pass, helps track turnaround time for repairs. Repair gate pass verification. Before the item is accepted for use, the review department verifies the repaired item. This step ensures that the item has been repaired properly and is ready for reissue or reuse. Purpose: quality check before accepting repaired items. Records verification. Remarks and reviewer identity. Issue of repaired material to department. Once verified, the item is issued back to the originating department. This completes the physical material cycle, ensuring the department receives the item post-repair. Benefits: maintains clear audit trail, links the item's life cycle from issue to repair to reissue. Repair bill entry. Parallelly, the accounts team records the repair bill received from the service provider. The entry captures vendor details, repair service code, rates and applicable taxes. Highlights: tied to financial transactions, enables expense. Tracking by vendor, item and department, prepares data for payment processing. Repair management engine. The repair management engine provides dynamic reports using a combination of filters by department, vendor, item, etc. Grouping by project, party, voucher. Metrics like repair cost, time taken, pending items. Benefits: one-click MIS for repair tracking, advanced drill-down capabilities. Great for audit, budgeting and decision-making. Key benefits of repair management process in Lighthouse ERP. Complete lifecycle visibility of every repair transaction. Seamless integration with gate, store, accounts and departments. Audit-ready process with approval checkpoints. Smart tracking and reporting for better budgeting and vendor management. That brings us to the end of this session on repair management in Lighthouse ERP. From raising a repair requisition to receiving and verifying repaired items and processing the service bill, we've covered the complete life cycle that ensures traceability, cost control, and operational efficiency. In our next video, we'll deep dive into gate pass management, covering all types of gate passes, their role in material movement, and how Lighthouse ERP helps maintain security and inventory integrity. Until then, Keep learning and exploring. Like, share, and subscribe to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy for more ERP learning content.